Today I'm going to show you how to make snowballs from baseballs and golf balls. You're going to need baseballs from the dollar store. You get 3 in a pack. You're going to need golf balls from the dollar store. You get 8 in a pack. You need cotton balls from the dollar store. I bought the heat gun from Walmart. And the glue sticks also came from Walmart. The cotton balls you're going to take and you're going to open them up like this. Sorry for the little boy coughing in the background. You're going to open them up. So for the sake of time, I already did some for us. So we're going to start with a golf ball. The glue gun. And you're going to put a little bit of glue around a golf ball. Take a piece of cotton ball and glue it around. So you're going to go around like so and just press the cotton ball around. So you're going to go around like this and press it down. And you're going to need one part. This might be enough for this one right here. Yeah. So we're going to press it around like that. So for these little extra pieces that's up, just going to put a little bit of glue, more glue down, and just press it down until all of them, all the loose edges lay down like so. So here's one of the cotton balls. Yes, one of the snowballs made from a golf ball. Now we're gonna use these in the dollar store. Also, they have like the mesh laundry hampers that you're going to use, and you're going to get one of those from there and put some dots on there for the snowman's buttons, his eyes, and you're going to cut a piece of orange cardstock for his carrot nose, and the kids could throw the snowballs inside of the hamper. Now for the big snowball, you're going to take this and do the same thing. Put some glue on there. Grab an open cotton ball and press it down like so. And you're going to keep going around the snowball. Keep going around the baseball until it's all covered. So we're going to put another glue stick in here. It doesn't take a lot of time to create these. You may have seen the real fluffy snowballs sold in some of the school supply stores. You usually get like probably 20 snowballs in a pack for like $30. This is a cheaper way to make some snowballs. These are not soft. However, they're not hard either, so they won't hurt anybody if they throw it at each other. They got the cotton balls on here, but we're not using these to throw at each other. We're using these to throw inside the hamper. And you keep going around like so. And you keep going around. I wasn't counting how many cotton balls you need, but you just fill it up to how you want it to look. And we might be done with like 1 or maybe 2 more cotton balls. Add another glue stick in there. This might be the last one that we need. And there you go. So the snowball is done from a baseball from the dollar store. Everything came from the dollar store except for the glue gun and the glue sticks. But the dollar store have glue sticks also. So leave me comments, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. This is done with a golf ball. This is done with a baseball. Thank you. Bye.